want to speak English with your friends?
Then practice this easy daily conversation with us.
We will use simple words.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Let's start.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Mark.
How are you today?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine, thank you.
That's nice.
Where are you going?
I am going to the park.
Are you meeting someone?
Yes, I am meeting a friend.
That sounds good.
Do you want to join us?
Yes, I would like that.
Great. Let's go together.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is very pleasant.
I like this weather.
Me too.
How was your day?
My day was busy.
What did you do?
I worked in the office.
Was it hard?
A little, but it was okay.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
That's good. What about you? I studied English today.
That's great.
I want to improve my English.
Practice every day.
Yes, I try.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes, but I feel shy.
That's normal.
How can I improve?
Speak a little every day.
That is good advice.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies.
What kind of movies?
I like action movies.
Nice. I like comedy movies.
Comedy movies are fun.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What music do you like?
I like soft music.
I like soft music too.
We have similar tastes.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free.
Do you want to have tea?
Yes, I would love to.
Let's meet at the cafe
What time?
at 6 p.m.
That works for me.
Great.
I will see you there. Now, repeat after me. How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am meeting my friend.
Practice every day.
Talking with friends is easy.
Use simple English.
Practice daily.
You will speak English confidently.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next video.